Hey, I burped for you.
I don't think he'll be in this like class for long, but we'll just take one day at a time, make sure that okay.
You got the hiccup, little Demi? You could rub her back too. I want to hear a big burp, like bah.
Like a Barney burp?
Sorry. Yeah, both Lauren and Rick in a minute. But you can visit him after this. I'm going to go over and do something over there right now on my other baby. But, you know, but I am going to put it through another sugar and put it through down soon. You can tell Mom
It's pure spa treatment.
Logan. Hey, buddy.